Hello everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai. This is how you do it. Big, giant, largemouth bass. And oh yes, she's a kisser. Mwah. Did you guys ever doubt me, huh? Did you guys ever doubt me catching some bass today? Right before I caught that bass, I was tempted to go, I got a couple different, the copper truce and another one that's close to it. And those zinkers, I was tempted to put one of those on. I still might, just to try it. Sometimes in that cold, there we go. Uh-oh. That is another nice crappie. Remind me to get a pic of this one. It's about as big as the other one. Look at that rod. Look at that rod. Yeah. Talk about a bend. That's a nice crappie. I'm getting a pic of this one. I don't even know what I was talking about, but having fun. The crappie bass fishing. All right, tearing them up. Tearing up them crappie. There we go. Get on up here. Should be a crappie. It could be a bass. Yep. Nice little chunk though. Got him on that underspin. 1/8 ounce underspin. Slim Swims from Z-Man, the Elastex, should last forever. There we go. That is a very little bass. But he hit that underspin, and it is a bass. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. Mwah. Get out of here. Well, caught a fish and a bass. You guys will never guess who threw their only white Booyah hard knocker and broke it off. Yeah, you guessed it right there. But I'm going to try the rattletrap. This is actual rattletrap. 1/2 ounce in Toledo gold color. I just want to try it just to see. You never know. They are hitting the moving swim jigs. Largemouth bass, 44-degree water with a rattletrap. Pretty good. Pretty good odds, I'll tell you that right now. Pretty good odds. Or is that a big crappie? I think it's a bass. It's a bass. Pretty good odds, boys and girls. So that's what I was thinking. We've had a few different days of warm temperatures. Warm this water back up. These bass will kind of kick back on, it looks like. This guy's got a lot of yellow. That is a beautiful largemouth bass. That's a 1/2 ounce actual rattletrap. Bill Lewis rattletrap, Toledo gold colored. Don't need a pick. Already have bigger bass today, but that's my first rattletrap bass in quite a while. Let's try something. Let's try. Okay. Did you guys see that? Luckily, all my rods float now. Catch a fish on it. Looks like it should attract a fish, right? Maybe we need a little clearer water. I don't know. Trying to build confidence in a bait. There we go. Confidence in a bait. That's a good bass too. Whoa! What do you guys think? Yep. Oh, don't come off. Hit the boat in the trolling motor. Bass of the day right there, boys and girls. That's why I throw the old chatterbaits. That's the custom, I believe. Get over here, don't you? Oh, don't you do it. Get over here, get that mouth. Get over here, you big 3.5, 4 pounder. 3.5 pounder, probably. Woo! All right, chatterbait does it again for the win. What do you guys think, huh? Just tried these out. I think they were actually made to run like that. Very nice, very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, boys and girls, nice bass. You want to get a weight on it? I knew you'd say that. All right, zeroed out. Come on. 330, 330. So you know me, I round up. You know I round up. 3.5 pound bass. Right? Big, nice 3.5 pound largemouth bass. Right here at Bass and Bonsai. It probably won't jump, but we're just gonna watch it go. Get it out there in the sun. It's cold. But wind, that's how much the wind's blowing. I see how it's dragging him. Come on, you gonna swim? Whoa. You gone. Woo! Woo! Still on fire. Still a little cold. Our hands are cold. It's actually not that bad out here, but man, once you get your hands wet, oh no, it's almost game over. Awesome bait. Let's see what we can do. That there gave me some confidence in this bait because that is a nice bass for a cold day like today. Got one. Like that. It definitely whoa. Did not come off. I need you for the showstopper. Yes! Showstopper right there. A little bitty old bass, little bitty mouth, decent little chunk. And I'm gonna put an end to this show. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We caught them a lot of different ways. That's stuck on me. Caught them with that right there, which just caught me. But that is a nice, beautiful largemouth bass. And we got her done today. Look at the jumper. I think it's the first one I actually threw back. This bait. Got the best, chatterbait, of course. That's why I throw chatterbait. It tends to catch, your biggest fish of the day. But I'm gonna make a couple last casts here while I get out of here. Made it to the shallows. Only got the one fish. The definite, more fish, crappie and bass were on that deep side. And actually, this is the deep side of the shallow side. We went all over there, nothing. So I think when that water gets cold, the deeper side of wherever you're at, a pond, lake, where the deeper water is closer, like you've heard it many times. So anyway, I'm out of here. Had a lot of fun today. Caught several nice bass. Got to try out pretty much all my new baits and my new rod for next season are already been tested. We caught the big bass right off the bat with this sucker. And let's throw it real quick before you guys get out of here. Caught several crappie on it. It's going to be an awesome little crappie rod. May even pick up one more just so I have two of them, if you know, whether it be Olivia or Emily or whoever, brother, you know, anybody fishing with me wants to fish, you know, we get on a little crappie bite, we have a couple fun rods to fish with. So the sun is over and in your guys' eyes. Let me spin around. I'm out. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe to Bass and Bonsai. And get out of here. Go Bass and Bonsai for yourself, and thank you for watching. I'm going to keep casting. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. We're gonna jump. Yeah! Woo! Ah! What is it with this bait? This bait loves me. It won't leave me alone. Get off me, bait.